Hello everyone! Wondering how to change your TikTok profile picture? Well, you're in the right place. First, open your TikTok app, and once it's open, you'll find yourself on the For You page. Then, look at the bottom. Among the icons, tap on Profile. Now, in your Profile section, you should see an option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and tap that. Here, you're given the choice to either change photo or change video. For this tutorial, let's tap Change Photo. A few options will pop out: Take Photo, Upload Photo, and View Photo. If you want to use a pre-existing image, select Upload Photo. Once you've chosen your desired image, there's an option to post it to your story, but it's up to you whether you want to use that. Finally, hit Save to update your profile picture. And if you ever fancy adding a profile video instead, just repeat the process but select Change Video. So that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!